Hold for camera. Oh my god. Oh my god. Alright. Bro, stop fucking around. Oh my god, I'm speeding.
Mission Misfire, scene 2B, take 1, marker.
Alright, let me get the captive E up a little bit. Yeah, have him just sit a little taller so I can see him.
Taller, like that? A little taller, like this?
Higher. Yeah, fuck it. Yeah, go back to where you were and you'll pop into frame. Okay. Alright, let's go.
And action.
Gotta get over. Come on.
And cut.
One more.
Alright, let's go. Come on. There's that in there. 1, 2, 3. Good. Alright. Smooth. Let's go. He's speeding.
Scene 3, take 3, marker.
Alright. Action. Alright, I'll set up. Is this an Uber pool? What if you give me 5-star, buddy?
Alright, we got 'em. What questions you got?
It's not my problem. Fix it, or I'll use your bones as chopsticks.
What do we do now?
We're dead. We're dead. Body bag dead.
Shut up, I'm brainstorming. Faking our deaths? New identities?
No, I'm not being a Todd.
You scream Todd vibes.
No, shut up.
Yeah. Sorry about this.
Let's go.
Wait, you're just gonna leave me here? You'll be fine. You'll figure something out. Unbelievable.
Hello? Is anybody out there? Shit.
Cut.
Speeding.
Mission Misfire, scene 4, take 1, marker.
Alright,
Good.
hold for camera.
Yeah, I got that.
Camera ready?
Hey yo. Tortilla slap, bro.
Oh yeah, grab some meat too.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Yo, these idiots have the wrong guy.
I know that, but somebody tells the boss.
Don't know. He's sitting down watching TV like a Sunday brunch.
Camera's speeding, just wait for a car to pass by. I just put a dick in my butt. What?
Alright.
Lock it.
Mission Misfire, scene 4, take 3, marker.
Oh my god, I'm speeding.
Mission Misfire, scene 5, take 1, soft sticks.
Hold for camera. Back up a little bit, guys. Alright, camera set.
Whose head is that back there?
Action.
Wait.
It's just
Yeah,
a
that's
plant.
Josh. Alright.
Action.
Hey boss.
watching TV, huh?
Must be nice.
Listen, we've got an issue.
Hold for camera. Alright. Camera set.
Action.
Yo, boss. These beans are fire, bro.
We got an issue.
Yo, boss. These beans are fire. Yo, Luis. Luis, what did I say, dude? Don't fuck this shit up. Get out of here, dude. Get the fuck out of here. Get out of here, motherfuckers.
Alright.
What scene is this?
Eating.
7. Fuck. I wasn't ready, I'm sorry.
What the hell?
I don't think you got the mark.
I don't think so.
What the fuck, Eva?
What the fuck? Whatever.
Let's just say
Yeah.
7.
Hold for a shitty AV.
I'm not AC.
Sorry.
Scene, Mission Misfire, scene 7, take 1, marker.
Alright, give me 1 second. Alright. Set.
Action.
Hello? Is anyone there? What the fuck did I do to get in this shit? Can we reset? Reset?
Reset.
I didn't realize he was saying those lines. I'm gonna start on him.
Reset.
Speeding.
7, scene 7A, take 1, marker.
Camera
Action.
Y'all never can do one thing right, man. I give you one task. Just one task. And you managed to screw it up.
Well, to be fair, he did look like the.
Shut the fuck up! Get him in. Bring him in.
Roll camera.
Speed.
Scene 7A, take 2, marker.
Hold for frame. Camera set.
Action.
I give you 2 dorks. You just wanted food from the party. Just one thing, man. Just one thing. Go take the dude in broad daylight. And you didn't do shit about it. Just go fucking the barbecue and fuck the fucking scene up.
Cut.
Cut.
Oh my god, I'm speeding.
Mission Misfire, scene 7A, take 4, marker.
Set.
Am I ready? Action.
Hell?
Y'all never do shit right, huh?
We just wanted food from the pantry.
I gave you one task, man. Just one. A day like rap, there was no cameras, no cops. And you two managed to screw it up? A grandma's barbecue and flip-flops, huh?
I mean, to be fair, he did look like
Shut the fuck up. Bring him in. Get him to the chair, come on.
Watch your step. Up. Hey.
Drop him up. Let's drop him up, come on. Get the fuck out of here, move!
Okay.
Yes,
Got
sir.
it. Yes.
Yeah, I'm speeding that bitch.
Mission Misfire, 7B, take 1, marker.
Camera's about to die. Let's go quick.
And action.
Strap him up. Get the fuck out of here. Move. Come on.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Oh, right away, boss. My bad. I'm good. Speeding.
Scene 7B, take 2, marker.
Action.
Whoa, hold for camera, Okay, camera stop.
Action.
Strap him up and get the fuck out of here.
Yes, sir.